Hi and welcome to Java Math app developed using Java NetBeans. Right, let me show you guys how this works. Here you enter your very first value in there and the second value will automatically appear. Both actually automatically appear, and here the operators are randomly allocated as well. And here you will then enter your answer. Whatever your answer might be, just enter it in there. If the answer is wrong, you get a correct answer here. And if the answer is right here, you should gain a point. So now we have 22 divided by 2. That's the wrong answer, so let's click on result.
Incorrect answer. The right answer is 11.
And you also get a voice feedback as well. The next thing we have is 21 subtract 11. So let's get that right.
Point awarded. Well done.
Point awarded. Well done. The next one is 8 plus 17. Okay, let's get that right. And for your information, once you get 2 points, you go to the next level.
Point awarded. Well done.
Set. We are now in level 2. In level 2, we have a timer, and this timer, once it becomes 0, the game will be over. So let's see if we can get this one right.
Point awarded. Well done.
We're now running out of time. Check out what's going to happen next. There we go. The game is over. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into Java NetBeans development environment, and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. And welcome to Java NetBeans development environment. Here we're going to be creating a math app. So let's start by clicking on File, select New Project. Okay, let's select Java with and select Java application. Click on Next, and let's give our project a name. I'm just going to call that JMath app. With an S. That's good. Alright, JMath app with an S. Alright, you see the create main class. I'm going to uncheck that. Let me copy this and just click on finish. There we go. Now right here I have my JMath app with an S. This is it right there. I'm going to now right click on it and let's select new and select JFrame and give that a name. I'm just going to call it JMath app or JMath apps. There we go. Click on finish, and let's just, there we go. The development environment is ready now. So I'm going to right click on it and let's select set layout. Inside the set layout I'm going to select absolute layout, and if you notice there should be a line around the frame. So I'm going to right click on the frame again. Let's select properties. Inside the properties I'm going to select the code, and inside the code I'm just going to change the size here to 1400 by 800, and where we have generate center I'm going to check that. Click on, before I click on close, let me go to the properties. I just want to make sure the minimum and the maximum is of the same size. Okay, look at the prefer. I'm going to change that to 1400 by 800 as well. And let's see, look at the minimum. I'm going to change that to the same size. Let's copy that and just paste that in there. Alright, that's fine. And let's see the title. I think there's a title here. If you want, you can always just enter something in that. Alright, that's the title here. You can just enter maybe math app. There we go. Close that. Now that that is done, let's go straight to the palette right here. Inside the palette, I'm going to select. Now select the palette and let's select panel. That is the panel there. I'm going to just drag it that much. Right. And I will also change the back color of that panel to cadet blue. So let's go to the properties. Inside the properties, select back color and select RGB. Inside the RGB, change the red one, change it to 95. The green, I'm going to change it to 158. The blue, I'm going to change it to 160. Click on OK. There. Now that that is taken care of, right click on it and let's select set layout. I'm going to set it as absolute layout. As you can see, it's disappeared. That's no problem. Go straight to the navigator and that is your panel right there. Select it. Okay, look at that and just drag it. Okay, that's sorted now, so we can always just copy and paste it now. So I'm going to copy that and just paste. I have one here, bring it down. I'm going to paste another one. Let's copy this same one, copy, and I'm going to paste, bring it down. That is fine. So let's come back to our palette here, select panel and just paste that one in there. And I'm going to drag this that much. Right there, so that is fine. Let's copy that, paste. We have to copy it again, copy and paste. We have 3. There we go. That's good. Right here, let's add another panel there. Add one here, just bring it down much. And this one, that will be where I will add my label. So let's get hold of a label, dump it right there. You see the lines? That means it's now absolute layer. So let's right click on that and just change that to absolute layer. Alright, so that's fine now. And change the size of that label to something much readable. I'm going to make that about 72. Make that bold. There we go. Bring it there. Now you can right click and just change the text content on that to, I'm going to change mine to Java Math App. And there we go. That is that done. Very good. So the next thing I want to do now is right here, I'm now going to add some more labels back into my palette. Select label, dump it right there. Oh, this needs to be changed to absolute layer. And let's see, have I changed this one? No. Absolute. And this one, select absolute layer as well. Now they are all absolute layouts. So now let's change the size of the text content to about 36. Make that bold. Right click on it, change the value on it to something. You have value 1. That will do. Value 1. Nice one. Click and copy, paste it right in here. So change this one to value 2. There we go, that's fine. I'm going to also add another label. Let's copy this and I'm going to paste that right here. And this label, go to the properties, let's add a border around it. And I'm going to make that border maybe 4. There we go. And delete the text content that we have in there. Right click, get rid of that. Something like that. Now copy that, paste it right here. And I'm going to paste another one here. Okay, let's copy one of these. Copy, and paste it right in here, and change the text content of these to arithmetic operator. There, get it centered properly, looking much better now. Now the next thing I want to do is, so let's copy this as well, paste it right underneath here, and just change the text content of that to enter your answer. Nice. Copy this again, paste it right here, change that to correct answer. And here, paste one here. No, that should be correct answer. Paste one right here, and let's change this one to points awarded. Points awarded. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to copy this again, copy that, and paste it right underneath. There, the point awarded will automatically appear here. And here we need a text box. That will be text field. Just dump that here. Let's add border to it as well. Let's look for the border. Might be down somewhere, or maybe up. Let's see. There we go. And change that to 4 as well. Font size, let's make that 36. Very good. And delete the text content on it. And right underneath, I'm now going to add a button. Back in here, grab hold or get hold of a button, dump it there, change the properties of that to 36 as well. You can even make it 38 if you want. Here, let's make it 38, why not? There. Oh, it should be bold. Let's make that bold. There. And the data on it, I'm going to change that to results. Okay, that's fine. And right underneath here, copy that very button, paste it here. Let's see, where's the button? I believe it's copied. Let's come in here and see if we can get hold of any button there. That's one button, that's that very one. This is the second one, and the second one should be there somewhere. Alright, since I cannot find the second button, I'm just going to, well, let's see, panel number 3. So I'm going to delete that second button and just paste another one in there. Delete. Alright, now go back to the palette, grab hold of a button, paste it right here, change that to 38. Make that bold. There. Alright, I'm going to need about 3 of those so I can copy this and paste it right in there. Copy and paste it in here. So we have 2 and we have 3. Change these to exit, and the variable name, change that to JBTN exit. Next one, change that to clear. Variable name, change it to JBTN clear. And here, change that to reset. variable name, change the variable, right click on it, select the change variable name and change it to JBT and reset. Very good. And right here, I'm going to copy this, copy and paste it right in here. There we go. Yeah, I think my interface is almost ready. Okay, so I think we are almost done with the design of the interface. So let's run it and see. Compile and just run. Very good. That's good. Alright, so I'm just going to call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.